T-minus 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Day. Oh, what a beauty. What a beauty, guys. Today we're gonna have some fun. Right. You guys need to stay here. Let's go check the situation. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Huh. Imagine that, guys. Just imagine that. Oh, it would have been awesome. Oh well, let's follow the rules. Let's go somewhere else. Okay guys, we are at the skate park and we are going to see what this rival MT10 can do. Now, as we know guys, it is a little bit slower than the rival MT10 version 1. We are now going to give its proper test and see if it can handle a skate park, because we know for a fact that version 1 can definitely. Oh, solid 4 on its roof. Okay, so it definitely doesn't backflip as nice as version 1. Alright. Okay, that was a serious fall. I don't know, it doesn't seem like it really backflips as nice as the version 1. But I must say it could be because of the tires. Right, let's see. Let's see if we can get something from here. Oh. Yeah, I don't know if it's the tires. I must say with the version 1 I've always had the Louise Pioneer, MT Pioneer's tires on from the start. But yeah, I don't know, these tires are really not impressing me at all, eh? Oh, let's bring it this way. Oh, no, it doesn't self-recover as nicely, guys. No, definitely not the same. Now I missed the version 1 with the Louise tires, to be honest. Alright. But is it ever as durable as it was? Yeah, certainly it looks like it. I think that was a big question. Is it as durable as the version 1? And I could definitely say that it does look like it is. So, I don't know, the tire seems a little bit off balance. Oh, that was a nice landing, guys. Awesome, awesome landing. I don't know if you guys saw that in the sunlight, but it definitely was a very nice jump. Alright, let's see, guys. See if we can replicate that. Oh, little bit too much. So it doesn't seem like I'm going to get the triple backflip from this one, if I'm honest. But yeah, it's ever as tough, eh? You can really see this thing is proper. This is a proper car, guys. A little bit slower, a little bit less cosmetics, but definitely wheelies nicely. Right. See if we can get a nice ramp here. Right, that was a big jump. The wheels are honestly annoying me a little bit. I don't know why, it seems like it's off balance. But I think, and you guys will see with the version 1, it doesn't seem like it's got the same issue. Right, so that landed on its wheels, but it fell over. Let's just pick it up. So what do you guys think so far? I'm really disappointed if this is the performance of the stock tires, but it doesn't seem like it was an issue on my version 1, because I had exactly the same tires when I did the speed run, and that honestly didn't look like it was unbalanced at all. So I'm not too sure, just have to see. Alright, that was quite a nice jump, and it's on its feet. Doesn't seem like it wants to turn a lot, to be honest. Oh, that wheels is just annoying me so badly. Oh, that almost seemed like it was going to be a triple back flip. I'm not too sure if it was though. Oh, that was a big crash, guys. But it still looked like it survived. Oh no, something is wrong. Oh yeah, something is wrong, guys. So there we go, guys, another A on. Gone. Alright, now I've lost 2 of those little dog bones, and I'm not too sure where I'm gonna find them, but yeah, luckily we had that comment on the speed run video from that guy that said you can just use the WL toys with the link to it, to the part number on AliExpress. But yeah, damn annoying, guys. Really annoying. Here I'm also finding parts for it. Alright guys, let's see what we can do with version 1. Yeah, it's probably not going to be possible, eh? Oh, awesome. Okay, guys, so as durable as they come. Okay, let's check it out. All right, okay, guys, let's see if this one can wheelie as good. So this one, I can see. Oh, I love this version 1, guys. Just look how great it looks, eh? Just looks epic. See if we can do a little climb on there. Let's see. Oh, nice little back flip. Okay. So last time I broke one of my batteries here doing a triple black backflip, and oh, solidly on its roof. And I think that plugged the battery out, guys. Let's see, we've got no power. Yeah, I wish I just let it go, eh? Oh, I'd actually switched the power switch off. I've never had that happen before. But there's a first time for everything, eh? Alright. Okay. Just loving my version 1, guys. This thing, in my opinion, is where it's at. And I think by the end of this video, we are all going to be concluding that the version 1 is the clear winner, and you should really try hard to get one of those instead of the version 2. I mean, the version 2, I don't know if I just have bad luck with it or what the story is, but yeah, it's quite annoying, to be honest and fair. Right. Just seems like these wheels are so much more stable, guys. So much more stable. Right. Let's see if we can send it over a nice big ramp here. Right, so that was quite a big jump. Right, guys. Couldn't see. Thanks, mate. Yeah, you can flip it. Thanks, mate. Thank you. I don't know why the wheels are. Why is it doing this? Okay, let's bring it this way.
Whoa!
On its roof again, guys.
Whoa! This thing is so much space. Wait, does it have the exact same amount of speed as the last one?
Okay. Something is wrong with it. Let me just quickly check. Why is it doing? Okay, guys, I've lost that screw there. One of the screws that keeps the C-hub on. I've lost one of those. Oh, and I've broken the A-arm. Look at that, guys. Awesome. Okay, so another one bites dust. Quite surprised that this one didn't last as long. I mean, I didn't really have any crazy crashes. I'm starting to think that I might be preferring my Traxxas Max version 2, if I'm honest. It's quite disappointing that it had to end like this. Both broke A-arms. I've previously had a nice run with this RC car at the skate park. Only broke the battery case, but yeah, it seems like that will be the day. Alright, guys, and that was a bust. So both of them broke, so I cannot say the one is more durable than the other, which is quite disappointing, but we will obviously call this one a win for version 1 just because it's faster and the wheels doesn't wobble for some stupid reason. I still don't know why the wheels are doing that, and also you get more cosmetically. So I'm going to give this win for the rival MT10 version 1. This video, which ended with a disappointment of 2 broken A-arms and a couple of missing pieces, but yeah, I think for now we are going to call it a win for version 1. So if you can get your hands on a version 1, make sure that you get that and keep it close to you, as you might not be able to get one in the future, which I've seen they've already discontinued it and it's sold out in most places. Here in New Zealand and Australia you can still get one. So if you like this video, please give it a like, and also if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to the channel. And also, guys, leave a comment down below and let me know which one do you prefer. If you've watched all 3 of the videos and you've seen what you've seen, let me know which one you would rather have. I'm John from TechSpace, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.